Okay, so it seems everybody who started trying to trade Forex at the moment is working really, really hard to trying to master this. When really, in my opinion, what we should be trying to do is master this. You see, learning the education side of things and studying is actually the easy part. Understanding the core concepts of how the Forex market works, how you can read a chart and that kind of thing comes within a couple of months. What doesn't come within a couple of months is the mindset you have to adopt in order to be profitable while trading. And I think the main problem in people's mindset lies in the fact that they just want to make money, and understandably so, because we all just want to make money. However, there's not a saying for this, but I'm about to create it. The slower you take trading Forex, the faster you will make money. The more patient you are, the quicker you're going to make your money. And that is a fact. And I promise you, if you adopt this mindset and start to understand that and think before you take an impulse entry or before you click that buy button, think, have I took my time with this one? Do I understand what's going on here? Is this a smart decision? Okay, because it's an irreversible decision. All right, as soon as you've took that trade, you took that trade. You can close it, but let's be honest, you might close in drawdown, which isn't great. So it's better to take that trade with confidence. Just to finalize that point, I'm going to say the fastest way to make money in Forex is by being patient. Fact. Now, yeah, I could turn around to you and say, listen, this is a problem. Join my signal service, buy my course, but I'm not going to do that. Now, this is another thing that we have to avoid. There is something called shiny object syndrome. And I've got this from other YouTubers saying it, and it resonated with me so much that I just want to relay that information to whoever's watching this video right now. Shiny object syndrome is basically when you see a new strategy or a new method of making money or trading in the Forex markets that you think is going to work, and you blow off your old strategy that you've worked so hard on to do something different. When really, if you had just stuck to that strategy, you might have hit gold. You've all seen that like Minecraft meme where there's one miner and he's one block away from getting diamonds and then he turns around and goes back. Or there's the picture of the miner who's mining down to get gold and he's like this far away from gold and then he climbs a ladder and goes back up. Yeah, it's a similar concept, all right? So trust me, the strategy isn't the problem. It's the way you're executing the strategy, all right? It's the same. I say this with like products and sales. It's not what you're selling, it's how you sell it. It's not what you're trading, it's how you trade it, okay? Bear that in mind. If you trust your strategy, if you've learned it from somebody who's experienced, another mentor online, then likelihood is it's probably all right. I mean, there's some really good mentors out there. So trust in your knowledge, trust in your strategy. Okay, and the final point I'd like to add in this is don't be lazy. And when I say don't be lazy, I don't mean you need to go and revise more, you need to go make loads of notes, you need to go do more back testing. Because you might be sat there saying, but Tom, I've already done all my back testing, I've done this so much and I'm still losing, okay? Don't be lazy with your mindset. Don't be lazy with discipline, okay? Because I'd say overtrading is in a sense a form of laziness because you're just looking at the charts, you're thinking, oh man, yeah, I want to make some more money. Oh yeah, I'll just take this trade. I'll just take this. It looks like it's going to work. I'll just take it. And that's kind of what's going through your head. Trust me, I used to overtrade a lot. I've been there. It's grim. Sometimes I still do it. Sometimes I still overtrade. Sometimes I have one day where I'm like, way too many trades there. Way too many. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got something from it, please leave a comment below, like the video, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And then if you'd like any education, everything's free at U-Trade right now. We're just, starting to help new traders, find their way. We've got a few different people working in U-Trade. And yeah, I've enjoyed making this video. I hope you found it helpful and peace out.